was Kelly. That was Kelly. Yeah, I know.
Looks like Santa came early this year.
Yeah.
It's Christmas morning. And tonight, we're going to see what he brought us. Let's get started. Alright, so here. Let's start with the coil-shaped one. See, a packable down throw. Soft polyester microfabric. Natural gray down fill. Suitable for outdoor use. Easy care machine wash and dry up. Alright. Let's see what's in this one. Huh? Oh my god! Oh yeah! It's burning! Dad actually got it for me! Oh yeah! Ha! I knew I'd get it, Mom! Take that! Now let's see what's in here. Alright, new gloves. Sweet! Let's check this one. Let's see what's in here. It's the new Pokemon Scarlet and Violet video game! I knew I'd get it! Ha ha! Double pack! Let's see what else is in here. Probably some headgear, like headphones. True Collection brand jeans. Alright. First time seeing this. There's one last box to unlock. Let's see what's in here. Shoot! My bad. An electric pencil sharpener? Encoded in Japanese! Now that's something. Amazing. Incredible. As for here, we got some fragile sketchbook paper and this stuff as well. Oh, there's still one more. Let's see what's in here. A new Spider-Man t-shirt. Ooh, and it's a long one as well. I like it. Thanks, Santa. You too, Dad. This is literally one of the best holidays ever. Now, I just want to know from you guys, what did you get under your tree? And if you have any spectacles on, what was your favorite gift that you got from Santa? Let me know. Christmas is about truth, love, and peace, and family. That is what it really means to have a special Christmas. I'm proud you all got to see me enjoy this. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and let me know what new special episode you want me to do next. Good night, and Merry Christmas from Santa Claus himself.